people, my name is Simran and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying North Indian snacks that you basically get only here apparently. So yeah, I hope you like it.
So the first thing we have is this Lacy Zoo Namkeen. You see it? Okay, so I'm gonna try it. It's not open. Ah! Isn't this made for kids? Isn't this supposed to be easy to open? Guys! Oh. Okay. So, this is what it looks like. What is this? I don't know if it's peppy or something. It's good. I'd give it a 7 on 10. Next! Oh, the same brand. Lacy Chinese noodles. Am I supposed to like heat this up? Boil it up? I don't know. Ah. I'm just gonna have to ask my cousin to open it for me. She opened it with a mouth. Wow. Okay. These are straight. Those were kind of curvy, so they don't taste like noodles. Why is it called Chinese noodles? But okay, I'd give it a 6 on 10. Next is this. Okay, it's written in Hindi, so ek bar khaye, bar khaye. Roshan. And that's my mom's name. Oh, that was easy to open. I already give it a 10. Wait, it looks just like that. Tastes almost like that, but then that's like with more masala than this. I like it. 8 on 10 because it was easy to open. Okay. This is by Cracks. It's called Nut Cut Classic. I hate how I can't open these things. Oh, it's like round. Everything tastes almost the same here. Like, I don't like it. No. 4 on 10. It's like pepper and something fried. That. Okay. So this is like really special here, and apparently get it in Delhi as well. I think I've seen this in Bombay, but I don't know. It's a cream roll. You have cream inside this. I'm gonna try this. Okay. Sweet and salty, so I love it. I'll give it a 9 on 10. Next is, it's written in Hindi, Anar Dana. Churan Goliyan. What? I think that's a bad word. I don't know. Okay. Can you see it? There's a glare. I'm sorry, I don't have my camera here. It's like this. Let's try one. I don't know, it's nice. Almost chatpata, like. Okay, no, I don't like it. Next is, oh, it's a chocolate. Not that I like chocolates, I hate chocolates. Gold 24 karat. I'm sorry if you're getting like voices from behind because these walls are so not soundproof. So, okay, it's chocolate. It's creamy. 7 on 10. What the hell is this? It's like a fish, but I don't think, is it edible? The stuff here is so weird, I can't even. It's like gems here, and then I think these are, it's like vanilla and chocolate cream. What is this pink thing? No idea. It's called Aqua Fun. Won't the cream come out if I open it like... Oh my god, how do I open this? to be messy. How do I open this, guys? Ew. It's cream. It's made for like 2-year-old kids who like to get it messy. See, even the pink thing is cream. Next is milk day. Can you all just shut up? Thank you. It's milk day. Milk day. How do you have this? How do you have it? Okay. Ew. Guys, I hate chocolate, especially when it's creamy. Or it just pops out like toothpaste. I'm wearing white. Ew, it's bitter. This is arm jam. I'm sorry about the glare again. Okay, guys. Okay. I have this cousin who just opens everything with her mouth. Apparently she doesn't have hands. Okay, this looks weird. Is this even edible? Is it edible?
Yeah, of course.
Ew, it's big. Snacker cake. Okay. Yeah, so please open. The magic word is please. This is how it looks. It's okay. It tastes like strawberry. It's nice. However, I need space to eat the rest. Next we have is Fun Pop sticks. Fun Pop sticks. It says delicious rice puff. And the flavor is tangy masala. That's how it looks. It's super salty, but I like it somehow. It's like one of those addicting chips you have, and so you just can't stop having. Fun Sticks biscuit with choco. I think you get something like this in Mumbai, but it's definitely another brand. I think they have this thing with Nutella in it. Oh my gosh. Can someone open this? She opens everything with the mouth. Guys, please. Give it back. They won't give it back. No one opened the cream thing for me. I'm not having the chocolate. It looks like Nutella basically. With sticks. I like these sticks. They're like very nice. I'll give it a 9 on 10 because I haven't tasted the chocolate. That we have today is Pan flavored candy. Do you know what Pan is? I hope you do. It's open. Oh my god, it's red. Like blood red. Okay. It's like Pan. I can't explain that if you don't know what Pan is. You should. And once again, sorry for all the drama coming from the background. I have like 10 cousins sitting here. So thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, until we meet again.